The AW159 Wildcat helicopter and A-29B Super Tucano aircraft at the PFDX 2023. Please like and share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Here are the pictures I took of some of the assets of the Armed Forces of the Philippines during the Philippine Fleet Defense Expo, or PFDX 2023 recently at the Naval Base Heraclio Alano in Cavite City. First is the AW159 Wildcat anti-submarine warfare helicopter of the Philippine Navy and some of its weapons. These helicopters are some of the most advanced helicopters of the Philippine Armed Forces, and the Navy currently has 2 of these which will be assigned to each of the Jose Rizal class frigates. Next is the A-29B Super Tucano aircraft of the Philippine Air Force. Despite them only being powered by a propeller engine, these are some of the newest and most advanced attack aircraft of the Philippine military. 6 of these aircraft are currently in service with the Air Force. Thank you for watching the video. I invite you again to like and share it, and subscribe to the channel.